Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna discuss about JVM, JRE and JDK. This picture will help us to understand more about JVM, JRE and JDK. So let's take an example. With the help of letters, we can form words. With the help of words, we can form sentences. So here JVM acts as letters, JRE acts as words and JDK acts as sentences, which means with the help of JVM we'll get JRE. With the help of JVM and JRE we'll get JDK. So these things acts like subset of one another. The detailed architecture of JVM, JRE and JDK is as follows. So here inside JRE we'll have JVM and library classes. Inside JDK we'll have JRE and development tools. So let's see one by one like JVM, JRE and JDK. Firstly JVM. JVM is also called as Java Virtual Machine. Java Virtual Machine. So here this JVM doesn't exist physically, and whenever we wrote a code and save it, it saves in the form of .java format. So whenever we compile it with the help of JVM, it converts into .class format. So this .class format is also called as bytecode. JVM helps in converting Java code to bytecode, and JVM is platform dependent. It helps in performing four major tasks. One is it loads the code and it verifies the code, it executes the code and it provides RTE. RTE is simply nothing but runtime environment. So as it is executing and converting it to bytecode, so it provides the environment to execute the Java code. So this is called as runtime environment. Now coming to JRE, JRE is simply nothing but Java runtime environment. So JRE is a set of software tools that helps in developing Java applications. JRE is simply the implementation of JVM. So in JRE we have set of libraries, other files and JVM. So in JRE we have JVM, library classes and other files. So there are many libraries in Java like util, math, lang, and zip, jar and so on. So all these libraries are present in JRE. And coming to JDK, JDK is simply nothing but Java development kit. So it consists of JRE and other development tools. Here the development tools are Java. So here Java means it's a interpreter, and Java C. So Java C is simply nothing but Java compiler, and Java doc. Java doc is nothing but Java documentation, and it exists physically. So it also helps in developing software apps and applets. Till now we have seen what is inside JRE and what is inside JDK. Now let's see what is inside JVM or the architecture of JVM. This is the typical architecture of JVM. JVM consists of class loader, class area, heap, stack, PC register and native method interface. We also have execution engine, native method interface and native libraries. So let's see them one by one. So firstly class loader. Class loader helps in loading the class files. We have three built-in class loaders. They are bootstrap class loader, extension class loader and application class loader. Class area, it has classes, fields and methods. Coming to heap area, so we generally tend to create objects. Whenever an object is created, some amount of memory is allocated to that object. So the area or memory allocated to that object is called as heap area. Next, stack. Stack helps in storing variables and intermediate results. So whenever we have a variable a is equals to 5, as a is an integer, it stores the value 5 in the variable a. So if it is given as address 1000, it allocates 4 bytes of memory to a. So these type of things are stored in stack area. And when coming to intermediate results, if we have a is equals to 5, b is equals to 5, c is equals to a plus b and d is equals to c minus d. So here C will become the intermediate results. So the values of these intermediate results are stored in the stack area. So coming to PC register. So PC is simply nothing but program counter. In a program we have several instructions. The currently executing instructions address is stored in the PC register, and in native method stack it has native methods. Coming to execution engine, we have in execution engine we'll have interpreter, JIT compiler. JIT is simply nothing but Java in-time compiler. Java in-time compiler and Java native interface. So this is an interface between the applications of other languages like C++, C, or other like Python and so on. This is all about JVM, JRE and JDK. I hope you understand the entire video, and thank you for watching.